Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this one I'm going to attempt to try and do my own makeup. As y'all know, I'm not really a makeup person. I don't know nothing about makeup, but I'm gonna try because I always sit down and watch my sister what time she do hers or when she do her videos. So I'm saying alright, I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. So I finished attempt to draw my eyebrow. Going in with some concealer now. Yo, like if I do sit up to me, I'm not take makeup without work hard. I don't have the patience to sit down and do all of this on a regular basis. God no. Right now I'm tired already. So I try drawing my eyebrows. So I blend out the concealer now. So I'm going in with this purple and I'm gonna blend it out in my crease. I've gone in with the purple, so now I'm going in with, still using the Beauty Creation palette, going in with this pink.
Hot on the shadow. Hot it. Turn the brush down. Turn on. Turn it that way. Hold it properly now. Yes.
So I'm going in with the Beauty Creation. So I got my face all concealed. So guys, this is the final look. Actually, I go with myself because this not look bad really and truly. Well, to me, it not look bad. So, time for the grading. Yeah, so my sister, she ever come and grade it. Look at come highlighter pop. Yeah, when me again I can do makeup, can stop sponge fire. So come what you say? I see this time she gonna roast me. Me I tell her from now she gonna roast me.
Guys, what's up? So welcome back. I told this child I was going to do her makeup for today's tutorial, and she decided she wanted to do her own makeup. So this video would kind of be like a reacting video. So anyways, go over. So the first thing, you lash them back way. That's the first thing.
Them still put out.
Them up on the wrong eye. The close eye you say eyeshadow. Yeah, eyeshadow now have no form of gradient. The blend is okay. The blend is okay, but it don't have no form of depth.
This girl come back to be like me, no nothing about makeup. I do what I know. Nobody judge the eyebrow. Nobody look on them.
Then the purple not blend out properly. No, the purple don't blend out properly. It gone all the way up in your eyebrow. Don't blend out properly. See? See the sharp line? We not do that in a 2020. No. Your brows now, people, our brows them hard for you. So I'm not about that trouble upon that. It's just that you should have this box right here. And then you bring it up too high up here so. Yeah, because I should not, it's like when me have brows, should not have the brows. The next thing now, your concealer and start blend out. Your concealer and set none at all. You have to wet concealer right in your teared up here so. Yeah, and a concealer underneath your eye. Look up.
Blend out.
Look up. Because it blend out. Look up. I'm not touch you. You just look up normally. You see people, no concealer.
Yeah, smudge my foundation.
If your foundation smudge, it don't set properly. Then your foundation a blend properly because it's a full coverage foundation. I must still have a spot. Where you, the Milan foundation I use, I still have a spot. I still have say blemishes. Yeah. Why your highlighter come underneath your eye? Your highlighter for the up here so. Why
you still highlight though?
Move. Why your highlighter do like this so?
Tired.
Hey. Then
Flip right with everything.
no, I'm just
With all that said, all the finished product overall. Stop picking out all the flaws.
It doesn't look bad, but I believe she could have done better. Like for real, she could have done better. But
Yeah, but I like the way this look at you.
Oh, yeah, man. I give about a 4. You can do better. You can do better.
4?
You can. First, let me tell you what. Take off points to lash them. You have the lash them on the wrong eye. If you put it on, you're supposed to know. The lash them and that show you have. The only thing I say, blend out good right here, so. is the contour. They're the only thing. Your conceal and a blend, your conceal and a set, your foundation. I mean, I say a lot of creases are going here, so you can do better, like girl.
So type of lip now, them.
Man, I think the color complement the eyeshadow. She's so hot up about lip them and all. But
Look,
Anna,
it go with the pink.
it's not pink actually, it's purple.
Yeah, it go with it.
Anna, no, like you
But can't go red, so though.
No, hell no.
Damn!
With those shadows, no, boy, you look like a raccoon. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that is it.
You see, that's the act of foolishness now.
That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoy today's video, and if you want to see a challenge of us doing our makeup at the same time, like, give us some likes, no thumbs up the video. If you enjoy the video, thumbs up the video. Let me know some suggestions down in the comment section below, guys. Use up the comment section, like the video. That's how YouTube know that I actually enjoy my content. That's how YouTube know that people actually watch my content. So if you guys enjoy the video, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And forever big up on yourself. So if you guys actually want to see the challenge, remember, thumbs up the video. Yeah, we're all hands.
Leave a comment.